Usually I want to look at a market that has over 100,000 in population. There is some exceptions there. If it's right outside of a large MSA and the growth is kind of extending out to it, then that would be an exception. That's one. Two, as far as the population growth, it's not a certain number, right? Like I want to see a yearly consistent growth throughout a 10-year, 20-year span, whatever it is. I want to see it consistent. I want to see it growing. I don't want to see one year had a negative 2% and then the next year had a, where it's fluctuating. So if you got that consistent growth year over year, call it, somewhere from 0.5 to, anything over 2% is going to be pretty crazy on a yearly basis. What's driving that growth too, right? You want to take it to the next level and then go look at the job growth. What's driving all this population there, and is there jobs that are going to be there available for that population? Usually the two go hand in hand, but you want to take it a step further and see what that is. What is the actual growth? What is the different industries that have the job growth? And that, I don't have an exact science to that, just other than you want to find a market that's diverse with the different industries, and you don't want one that's heavy on just one industry, because that can really hurt you come a recession.